What is going on, guys? Welcome to the video. I hope you're having a great day. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to learn forex for free. I post free educational content every single week, and I'm also documenting my journey to getting funded with FTMO. I'm showing you guys live trades. I'm breaking down every single trading day leading up to the end of the challenge, and I don't think anybody else on YouTube is doing anything like this. So in this video, I'm going to be breaking down a trade that I placed on gold. I made $1,380 in about 15 minutes. Damn! I'm gonna hop on my computer and show you guys exactly why I took this trade, what I was thinking before the trade played out, and how I wanted the trade to play out, and just why I took the trade in general. I think this will help you guys out a lot, especially if you trade gold. So without further ado, I'm gonna hop on my computer and I'll see you guys in the next clip. All right, guys, so I took this trade based on the 30-minute time frame. As you can see, we're definitely in a downtrend. So basically what was going on in my head is we are kind of in this range at this point. We have a level of support here being formed, and we also have resistance here. In my head, I didn't really want to go for buys at the break of this resistance. I wanted to only go for sells, right? Because we're in a downtrend, and obviously the sells are going to be a lot bigger moves. As you can see here, the sells are just cleaner on gold right now. So basically what's going on in my head is I want a candle to come down and close below the support. Okay, it has to close below the support. And what that means is this support is no longer valid, right? A candle closed below it. And so the probability of price coming down to test this next level of support right here is very, very high, right? Because you can think of these support zones as magnet zones, right? When price breaks below one support zone, it's going to go and test the next support zone. So I had it marked up right here. I didn't put it down here because I always put my zone a little bit above just in case. That's just me. So let's just play this out. All right, candles are starting to close below the support. Now I didn't enter right here. I wanted to wait for a little bit more confirmation since it is gold. Gold moves pretty wild. And bam, I entered right here at 1728.888. I'm going to show a screenshot right now of the trade and that I actually did enter at this price. Now the reason I entered here instead of down here when the candle closed is because there was about 15 seconds left for the candle to close, and I knew it was going to close below this level of support, so I just entered, and it ended up closing a little bit more down here, so that's why I entered right there. And now for my stop loss was 1732, and I took this and I placed the stop loss based on the 15-minute, right? So the 15-minute closed right here, and I just put my stop loss a little bit above this 15-minute candle. So I'm expecting the next candle to respect this 15-minute candle's high and come down to this level of support, right? If the new candle comes up above this 15-minute candle, then the trade is pretty much invalid at this point, and that's why my stop loss is right there. So let's just stay on the 15-minute. This is how the trade played out. Bam, right there. Take profit reached. I targeted 1722, a little bit above this level of support, just in case, right? You know, sometimes price doesn't have to hit this exact level of support. Sometimes it'll come just in the area and then go back up, right? These support zones are pretty much big areas here, so you got to keep that in mind when you're setting your take profit. And so yeah, that's how the trade turned out. Super simple. Literally like 15-20 minutes I was in and out. All right, guys, and you know, you can find these same setups on gold literally everywhere, right? Even here, like after I took this trade, we had this level of support. Price came, broke this level of support, so price ended up coming down and making a new level of support. You know, this was also a trade that I took as well. It wasn't as much. I didn't make as much as I did on the previous trade, but we had this very strong level of support here. This support literally held for an entire day. So price came down, closed below this level of support. You probably could have took an impulse entry. So once price broke this wick here, you know, chances are it's going to come down for at least 10, 20 pips, 30 pips, whatever you want to secure. And, you know, even here you have this level of support. You have this level of support. Price came, you know, broke past these levels, and you could have just entered on impulse for this candle to finish down here and target this next level of support. But that's basically it, guys. We're just waiting for a breakout of resistance or support. One more time, even here, right? We have this level of support right here. Bam, price came down, closed. Another candle, bam, closed. You could have entered anywhere at this break of support, starting from here all the way down. And that's really it, guys. That's the strategy. I'm not going to make this video too long. Again, wait for the candle to close below support or above resistance, and then place your trade accordingly. If it closes below support, you're going to place a sell. If it closes above resistance, you're going to place a buy. Make sure you're trading with the trend, and make sure you're always managing your risk, because that's what we can control at the end of the day, and that will make or break your trading. Alright guys, that is going to be the end of the video. Please leave a like on the video if you learned something new. It helps grow the channel a lot. If you have any questions, I'll answer any questions in the comments below. And lastly, subscribe to the channel. I post free educational content like this every single week. I break down this exact strategy in detail in one of my last videos. Just go look at my past videos, it's there. I'm also making a series documenting my journey to getting funded with 300K with FTMO. Nobody else on YouTube is doing it the way I'm doing it. I'm documenting every single trading day. I'm showing you guys live trades, whether I fail the challenge or win the challenge or get a free retry. I'm documenting everything, guys. It's just my journey, right? I have nothing to prove. I just want to share my journey with you guys, and it's very, very interesting. A lot of you guys have given me a lot of positive feedback. And the next episode is coming out on Thursday, so stay tuned for that. I'm breaking down the first half of the current challenge that I'm in right now. So subscribe to stay updated with that, and just to learn Forex for free. I'll see you guys in the next video.